everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to use the Slate Material Editor in 3ds Max in a very simple and practical way. So if you are a beginner and feel confused looking at all those nodes and wires, don't worry, after this video everything will start making sense. So let's get started. So first, where exactly is Slate Material and why is it better than compact material? It gives you more control, better organization and professional workflow. So when you press M, it opens as a compact material editor. So click on the modes button and click on Slate Material Editor. So this is how it looks like. Let's just create a quick scene and see how it looks like. We have just created a quick scene to learn how we can use it. So first we'll make a texture. So let's just create a box and apply a veneer texture here. So for that you have to go to your Pinterest account and search for veneer texture. So whatever veneer texture you like, just click save as image and you can save it wherever you want. Now when you press the material editor, you have to drag and drop the image you just downloaded. So this is the image you just downloaded. Now drag the video material. You have to connect this map to the diffuse section. Now what it does is it just applies the material on the video material. Click on this button and drag it to the model you want it to be. Currently it looks like this. So when you render this, it looks something like this. It doesn't look real at all. So now you have to do some settings. So first you have to put this into the bump map also and change the reflection to somewhere around 200. Okay, and glossiness to 0.75. Now change the UVW app. So now it looks something like this. Somewhere better than the old one. Now if you have to change the saturation or change the colors, you have to add a color correction map. So just drag and put somewhere between this and change the values. Go to advanced, change the value to 80 to make it darker, contrast to 0.8 something, 0.9, and decrease the saturation. Now it looks something like this. Now when you press the render button, it looks something like this. This is how you can use a Slate Material modifier. If you want the second part of this video to get to know more about the Slate Material modifier, please just like and subscribe to my channel and comment if you want it.